let's say you've submitted the grade by accident and now it's off of the student's to-do list and you want to put it back on the student's to-do list. All you have to do is to assign the student a task. And to do that, come up to the clipboard here, and then click Tasks. And you find your student. Give the task a title. Write any instructions that you need. And then mark it as student submits a document. And then click Assign. And once you do that, it will end up in the student's to-do list. There it is.